Welcome to Mississippi.
That's right, we are in Mississippi and we're a little bouncy. This road is a little rough. We're going to meet up with somebody. You're going to want to hang around and see who we meet up with on this next leg of our little Labor Day weekend trip. Can't even see if I'm getting that on there. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that little baby bunny. It's so cute.
They like to pop.
So that one will end up looking more like this with the spots.
Mm-hmm.
Did you show her like the pink ones that'll just be solid?
They'll be white.
Pretty sure that rooster's got his eyeball on me.
Process these.
Oh. I don't think I've ever seen baby bunnies that small. Oh. That's interesting. Yeah, I mean, they always pull fur, but they normally don't pull that much. I mean, I didn't even know that. She's like bald. I'm learning. Poor girl. That's a good mama. She's the best. Run.
Oh. It's heavy already. Aren't you?
That's a lot of bees.
What do you see them tonight when they beard up on there? It'll be, that whole area will be full of bees.
Down here trying to get in this.
Yeah, remember that. I got to do something with that divider. Pigs in there.
Hold these ones for me.
Hold it in your hand like that. Come on, suck that.
Hey, don't duck! Hey. Oh, dang! I want the bracelet. I want the bracelet. Now, that one was way more gentle. The other one was a little mean. Yeah, you're just wow. Give me. That was my thumb. I'm glad you ain't got teeth. Man, they will accidentally get your finger. Baby quail eggs. Still food, huh?
Yep.
I think that chicken salad is good.
Oh man, strong.
Garlic jelly. Or is your eyes watering?
Not
yet.
Quite.
I'm good at watching.
We're gonna do some magnet fishing under this sketchy bridge in Mississippi. There's Doug with Hidden Way Homestead, Commander Bacon. Gonna do a little fishing here, magnet style.
More anchors? Yep. That could have came from the bridge too.
Oh, yeah. Big old bolts.
WD-40 not that nut, huh?
Another one of them big bolt things? Or
Yeah.
rebar or something? Or what is that?
That's different. It's the red in it.
Oh, Did you lose it? Well, hopefully he can pull it loose. Come on, come loose. Come on. Well, that must be really stuck. Oh, there it goes! Woo! Look, guys, it's vintage nails. This is a seriously busy bridge. Oh, that's big. Rebar? And something else? Sticks? Wire?
Piece of ironwood.
That's a pretty good sized piece of rebar there.
It is. I'm sure it's from when building the bridge.
Get a little on your face?
Yep. Little Mississippi mud. You can take that.
Be like a mud mask.
Clear you right up.
Nails, maybe? Oh, piece of metal. What's that? What's that? Oh, just a piece of metal.
Tidbits, nails, screws.